Hello, Python lesson 1. Python is a programming language. We can use it to make apps, websites, and even AI tools. Python is simple and easy to learn. First, open the Padroid 3 app. You will see a blank screen. This is called editor. Here we write our Python code. First program, write this code. Step 1, open Padroid 3. Step 2, type the code, print hello world. I written here. Step 3, click the run button. The output of this program is hello world. Explanation. Here print is a function. It displays output on the screen. The text inside quotes is called a string. Okay, thank you.